Tala naan. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious tala naan. Add chopped onions, potatoes, and green chili in bowl. Now add red chili powder, salt. Cumin, celery added. Add gram flour. Green coriander added. Egg. Mixed well. Now we put batter on naan. Now take a pan and add oil. Batter apply like this. Oil in medium flame. Put naan in oil. Naan is brown in one side and turned it. Soft and crunchy. Ready for eat delicious tala naan. Add chaat masala on it and enjoy. Delicious tala naan make to easy way at home. Delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching.